Hello everybody, Craig from Westermans again. Just a bit of stock which has just arrived. I'll just run through a few of the items here. We have some Taylor 803 CD stud welders, single phase, work both 50 and 60 Hertz. 803 and 801, up to 8mm and up to 10mm. Down there is a couple of extraction units, portable extraction units with hose, again single phase. Packmaster 50 thermodynamics plasma cutter, not sure of the thickness, but I would probably say probably up to about 15-20mm. Also there is a SIP spot welder 3-phase. A very nice looking Techna spot welder, water cooled, which is 25 kVA. Very modern machine. Can also be used as a poke gun for single sided. Also arrived is a Pro Evolution 4200, which is got the pulse control panel, which is actually double pulse as well. Very nice condition. Again water cooled, 3-phase, 50-60 cycles. A very nice looking bowed seam welder, full PLC with jetline controls. Length of this one is 1m600 and has a 150mm mandrel. Been set up for aluminium with TIG, PLC, edge setting vicing, everything very nice. Almost X demonstration. Oh, a little SIP single phase MIG. We don't normally get involved in the single phase, but as packages anything can come in. A Techna spot welder again, the TE95 control system on it. This has got a normal spot gun, and I believe in them boxes you've got a single-sided spot and a dent puller. A Megatronic 220 MTE analog, 3-phase machine, but there is a tapping on the inside for single phase, but it will draw a lot from your mains. What we have there, we have a British Federal spot welder, treadle again, 3-phase. Also a nice Miller, .351 water cooled. All in all, quite a nice package of machines. Looking at the bowed seam welder, I'd say the Kempi was actually fitted to that, as it's obviously set up with a 4-pin plug. So for trigger start, all these machines will now be sent off for cleaning and serviced, and then added to the website. Once they've been serviced, machines will average anything from 4 months to 6 month warranty and come fully serviced. Majority of the time new torches will be added and the old torches will actually be thrown away. All machines then can be packed and shipped worldwide. And some of the machines, while being serviced, will actually have additional videos placed on our website as we are testing them. So have a look at westermans.com, where you'll see these added later on in the week, and prices upon request, and further details and PDFs will be added to the website for more information. Thank you for looking at the new stock that's just arrived. I'll keep you posted of what else is coming in the next couple of days.